So after a few weeks, if you're still having trouble trying to focus when you meditate, well, not really focus, it depends what you want to do. So for me, I do sometimes the transcendental meditation or the mantra meditation. So mantra meditation is which the celebrities use to pay for their mantra, their hymn. You can use your English words, but I believe it's more effective if you use some kind of mantra from the Hindu words. And you need a teacher for that. You literally cannot find that yourself. So for me, I'm not gonna pay $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 for that. So for me, what I like to do is think of my problem. So let's say I lack confidence. Let's just say that I want to improve my confidence. So for the next at least 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, until you get better, every day when you meditate, you need to say, a couple words. You have to say I, so your body knows it's I, ni or will, because your mind knows what those words are. So you can say I, ni, confidence. Now when you say confidence, your mind knows that, but internally when you meditate, it doesn't know that. So you need to visualize confidence. So think of being strong, tall, maybe walking down the street with a smile, but don't visualize to where you start being random and just thinking about everything. So you need to say, I need confidence. So you repeat that slowly, maybe 100 times, 200 times each session, which lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So you do that until you are fully confident with those mantra, and then you can move on to your next one. And well, how do you know you're confident? Well, if you're not confident and you go to a club and you can start talking to people, or you're outside in general talking to people, then that's how you know. Now the next one is transcendental meditation. It's okay, this practice is more of a customizable than mantra meditation, using a mantra or a series of words that are specific to each practitioner, and is very popular amongst the Western world. Okay, so basically I just told you transcendental meditation, because mantra uses the Om or the specific Hindu words, or very words from the ancient meditation. So I wouldn't really use those because I personally don't know mine. So I just explained to you transcendental meditation, not mantra. So with transcendental meditation, here's an example that I forgot the guy's name, but he was telling me. So the ocean during the storm, right? During the storm, the top is very active and violent, but underneath it's calm. It's the same as always. That's what transcendental meditation is. Your mind is being active, which you don't want, but you want to clear it so that you can be at the bottom of the ocean. So it takes time, and a lot of people do that, and I like that transcendental meditation better because it works for me. And I also have some problems, like I need confidence. That was one of those a couple months ago, and I used that. Now I'm good with that. Now mine is I will succeed. Like literally, I want to succeed in everything I do, but it takes practice. So for me, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so if you meditate and you're thinking too much, there's some things you can do to help fix it. And the hardest part is emptying your mind and clearing your mind. That literally is the hardest. So what you need to do is change your diet. You need to eat healthier. Eat nuts, raw fruits, vegetables. I'm a vegetarian. I used to be a vegan for a month, but that was kind of hard because I was working out and I travel. So I see a lot of cooked meat and it smells good, but for me, I can't really eat that. I do eat fish and seafood occasionally if it's not too expensive. So you can say I'm a pescatarian vegetarian, which some people say it's not vegetarian, but I eat very little bit of fish and seafood because I just don't really like to eat animals that much. Anyways, okay, that's my other thing. If you eat animals, that's fine, but don't eat so much red meat or pork. Stay away from pork, period. It's so bad. And I can explain all that, in another lesson, but this is about meditation. The problem is when you eat animals, what happens is, in America especially, these animals are kept in slaughterhouses and they know they're being slaughtered. Animals aren't stupid. Pigs are smarter than dogs, and cows have their own sense and they know they know their surroundings. They have families just like we do. So when they die, what happens is, before they're slaughtered, they're very emotional. They release a bunch of toxic and acidic chemicals into the body. So what happens is, when they're slaughtered, you're literally eating the acid and the thoughts and the pain of the animal. So that's why you feel that. If you look at it, like when people go to drink beer and have a good time, they eat a lot of meat and they chat. Some people get violent and rowdy. Maybe that's the stuff. So another thing is exercise more. You need to exercise. You need to be out in the fresh air. You need to be with nature. I exercise 20 minutes, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, but intensely. That saves me more time, and it's actually better than working out for an hour, let's say every other day. It's been proven that working intensely, where you are out of breath, is much better than working out a long time. And okay, cut sugar, alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, fried foods, and bad carbs. Like I said, you need to put more good stuff into your body. If you want to eat those crap, that's fine, but limit it. I know it's going to be hard, but you need to start thinking about life in general is the greatest gift itself. Being alive is a drug, literally. It's just amazing how you can be alive, and yet people still want more stuff. Especially as a first world country, you think you're stressed out. I've been in Vietnam for a couple months, Thailand for one, and you can see the big difference between first and second world country. Thai people are very friendly. If I could speak Thai, I would live here indefinitely. Literally. I was here for 8 days and I met this one girl naturally, organically, online. And thank God she spoke English. But anyways, her family, her friends are very, very polite. Okay, anyways, yeah, be more positive. Just be more positive. And then I'm going to explain about that in probably another video. Literally cut out all negative thoughts if you can. No matter what, the past, present, just cut all negative thoughts. When you meditate, do it on an empty stomach. It helps a little bit better. And practice. Okay? So, okay. Okay, so that's pretty much it about meditation. And then the benefits, okay. Here's man, it has so many benefits, but let me just read a quick list. Reduces depression, reduces anxiety, reduces substance abuse and use, increases self-care, optimism, positive emotions, social skills, sleeps, self-awareness, academic performance, and yeah, it helps manage and prevent anxiety, manage cholesterol, helps treat epilepsy, helps stop smoking, increases skin resistance, increases mental focus and clarity. And yeah, I mean, if you don't want to do that, that's fine, but look at all the benefits. Okay, so how can you start meditating? You gotta do it the first thing in the morning or right before you go to bed, because literally if you don't, it's like exercising, you don't want to do it. So you gotta give 20, okay, start out with 10 minutes a day, and then 20 minutes at night, and then after a month do 15 minutes, and then maybe after 6 months do 20 minutes. If you do 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes at night, that's all you need. So I mean, if you're gonna watch TV and you're on Facebook for a couple hours, I mean, might as well meditate. A lot of things are gonna change. You're gonna stop watching TV a lot. You're gonna stop going on Facebook a lot. For me, that I used to watch a couple hours of television every day almost, but now for me, I want to work and I want to help people. So thank you for your time, and hi. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you really liked it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Also, we have our website easylifejourney.com where you can read full articles and where we post weekly new articles and blogs. You can also check out our Facebook and our Instagram, Easy Life Journey. Thank you so much again for your time and have a great day.